a tornado warning for southwestern Genesee County in southeastern Michigan until 7 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Swartz Creek, or near Flushing, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Swartz Creek around 6:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Grand Blanc and Lake Fenton. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Genesee, Michigan,